Say cheese.
That's what that thing is for.
Alright, this ought to be interesting.
Nice and slow. Nice
Yeah.
and slow.
Just drop it.
Get in there, bird. It is your destiny.
Drop it. You know what?
Wait,
How do you kill the flame real fast?
are feet getting splattered on?
Yeah. That way it won't flame up on us.
Exactly. I'm not messing up making the dance.
Oh, you're ruining the grass.
That's alright.
Drop.
Smells good.
It does. Like, it
Damn.
smells amazing. You should probably just drop it now.
James, go ahead and let it all the way down, Jason.
Oh god.
Aw, I'm already starting to form a nice crust there.
God damn.
My God.
Oh shit. That ain't good. That's not the way it's supposed to be.
We should probably cover it now.
Yeah.
No.
Boom!
Where'd it
My
go?
bad, guys. I gotta go now.
I think the turkey might be a little bigger than it was for the pot.
Yeah.
Maximum turkey weight, 18 pounds.
Yeah, I know.
How many pounds is that?
21.
Like 21.
21.
I like how I read that after
You
we
know
put
what?
the turkey.
I said we light it back up. Here we go.
It'll be fun. That's gonna catch.